In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error message you might encounter when making a purchase on Steam. Now let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to resolve this common issue. First things first, go ahead and open your Steam app. Once it's open, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the option to log in. Click on it. This will prompt you to enter your account name and password, so take a moment to fill in those details carefully. Once you've ensured everything is correct, click on the sign in button. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Steam homepage. Look over at the top right corner again and click on your profile name. This will open a drop down menu, and from there you'll want to click on account details. As we continue, scroll down a bit until you see an option labelled View Purchase History and give that a click. This will show you all your recent transactions, and it's here you need to locate any pending transaction that might be the root of the issue. Click on this pending transaction to get more details. At times, the problem resolves itself with a bit of patience, so simply waiting for the transaction to complete might just do the trick. However, if it seems to be taking too long or you're still facing difficulties, there are still other steps to consider. You could choose to cancel the purchase. This can often clear up any hiccups with the payment process. Once cancelled, you can try the purchase again to see if it goes through smoothly this time. However, if that still doesn't work, you'll want to reach out to Steam support itself. Submitting a ticket to Steam can be straightforward and effective. They have a team that's ready to help with more complicated issues. To do this, go back to where you accessed your purchase history and look for the option to submit a ticket. Make sure you provide as much detail as possible about the issue you're facing. This helps the support team understand your situation better and provide a more tailored solution. Steam strives to ensure that their users have a seamless experience, so don't hesitate to make use of their support system. And that's it. By following these steps, you should have the tools necessary to troubleshoot and resolve any purchase errors on Steam. Remember, patience and a methodical approach often help in solving most issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Happy gaming!